where we can develop any number of solutions from person mobility devices like wheelchair race car. Because everybody should experience the joy of going first. To drones that safely escort you home at night. To interactive pet robots that provide support and companionship for the elderly. To flying cars like this one, made by our friends at Joby, making the trip from Ubu City to Tokyo fast and traffic-free. And for partners like Joby, we've even transformed one of our former factory buildings into a laboratory big enough to house an airplane. So, for any of you inventors out there looking for a really big space to work in, please keep us in mind.